this chapter, we will study about different parts of computer. We have monitor, keyboard, CPU, mouse, and we also have some other parts of computer that I will tell you further in the chapter. First of all, let's start with the chapter. Now, just like human body, our human body has different organs. Like that, our computer also have different parts. Like it has monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse. These all are the different parts of computer that we will study in this chapter. A computer has four main parts: monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. What are these? These are the four important parts of the computer. First is monitor. Your monitor, it's look like a television screen. जो आपकी टीवी की स्क्रीन होती है उसके तरह लगता है. It's look like a TV screen. It displays what we do on the computer. जो भी आप वर्क कंप्यूटर पे करोगे वो इसको डिस्प्ले. You can watch cartoons and movies on it. What you can do? You can watch cartoons and movies. Displays what we do and watch cartoons and movies on it. Next is your mouse. It is a mouse. It is a pointing device. It is used to select any folder you want to select on the computer. A mouse looks like a real mouse because of its shape. And we have different types of mouse. In some mouses, we have cable attached to them. And some mouses are wired. A cable attached to looks like a tail and it connects to the CPU. It has two or more buttons. It has two or more buttons, left and right button, and in between there is a scroll wheel. Mouse helps us to point the object on the screen with the help of pointer. Point out the object. It also helps us to draw picture and play games. With the help of mouse, what you can do, you can draw, you can paint and play games. Now, the fact you may know that Douglas Engelberg made the first mouse. The first mouse was invented by Douglas Engelberg. Our next part is keyboard, which has many keys. It has alphabetic keys, numeric keys, and some special keys. And the longest key, that is your space bar. This is your longest. Keyboard has many buttons, and these buttons are called keys. The buttons on the keyboards are known as keys. We can press the keys to type letters and numbers. You can write both letters and numbers by typing these keys, and it helps us to get commands to computer. What keyboard is helpful? For giving commands to the computer. Now we have CPU, which is known as Central Processing Unit. It is our brain of the computer. Like we have brain, our brain work like the CPU is also the brain of computer. Its full form is Central Processing Unit. It is known as brain of computer. It is the most important part of computer. It does most of its work. It's very important part. सबसे ज़्यादा important part जो है वो CPU है, और जो ज़्यादातर work है वो कौन करता है? आपका CPU करता है. These are the some words given. You have to unscramble them like CPU, and second word is your monitor. Now, other parts of computer. What are the other parts? Like you have UPS, printer. These are the other parts of computer. There are many other things that are used with the computer to make our work easy. Let us read first is UPS. Okay? Uninterrupted power supply. If the light or electricity has gone off, your computer will not be off. It will work till that your UPS will work. When electricity goes off suddenly, it gives power to a computer for some time. It gives us time to save our work. It helps in giving you a proper time so that you can save your work without missing your work. Now scanner. Scanner is used to copy documents and pictures. What you can do by using scanner, you copy documents and pictures onto your computer. This is your printer. What printer gives you? It gives you the hard copy of the document, and a printer is used to make a copy of the information stored in your computer on a sheet of paper. In this, what you do, you take out the information or document on the sheet of paper that is stored on your computer. You can print document picture with the help of printer. आप document हो, कोई picture हो, आपने कोई भी कोई book हो, उसको आप क्या कर सकते हो? With the help of printer, you can take out print out. The printed copy on a paper is called printout or hard copy. और printer it can be black and white or colored also. ठीक है, देखा ना, हम प्रिंट करवाने आप कभी गए होंगे तो इमेज ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट में भी होती है और कलर्ड भी होती है. This is the activity. Now, in this chapter, I have told you about different parts of computer. We have monitor, we have mouse, keyboard, and your CPU. That is your brain of your computer. It's do most of the work of the computer. And then I have told about the different parts, like we have scanner, printer. These all are the UPS. These all are the other devices that are used in the computer. And these are some special devices. That's all for today. Our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood the chapter. Thank you.